Hey guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new here, my name is Vera, and in this channel I talk beauty, motherhood, hair, health, lifestyle, hygiene, just a little bit of everything. So if you want to join the family, please click on the subscribe button below and turn your notification on to know when I upload a new video. I'll really appreciate it. So I first uploaded a video about okra water for conceiving twins or for conception, and a lot of people watched and reached out to me wanting to know more. That's why I decided to make this video based on my motherhood journey and all the information that I've gathered throughout. I hope that it will help you with your own journey too. If you haven't watched the video of my motherhood experience, trust me, you should, because it will also help you. I'll leave the link below. I hope that you watch this video till the end, because everything that I say here is very important, okay? So if you're looking to get pregnant soon, or you have been trying and not been able to, first thing that I want you to do is go see your doctor. Do a whole body checkup and be sure that nothing is wrong with you health-wise. And if you're married, make sure to go with your husband. I've seen many cases where the husband refused to go to the hospital just because they feel that once their manhood stands, they're fine, that they don't have problem. That means it's the wife, and the woman will keep killing herself, jumping from one hospital to another, only to later, maybe when the Holy Spirit ministers to the husband to go see the doctor, then they will find out that it's the man's fault. I hope you know that there's a difference between being impotent and having a low sperm count, abnormal sperm function, etc. There are so many reasons why a man can get a woman pregnant, like low sperm production, blockages that prevent the delivery of sperm, illnesses, injuries, chronic health problems, even lifestyle choices. But that's a story for another day. Just know that it's very possible for a man not to get a woman pregnant even when the manhood performs sexually. So make sure to go with your husband. If you two are examined and you pass, like you're both fine, then relax, because you will get pregnant. Just have faith. Now, if you're getting married or wishing to get pregnant soon, first thing that I want you to do is start taking folic acid. Even if you're in your 20s, but if you're up to 30, married or not, you need folic acid. Start taking it. It will help you whenever you're ready to get pregnant. So if you're ready or have been trying to get pregnant, I know that there are so many medicines out there, including native ones. People coming to you with different options, but I will say slow down. Just take folic acid, eat the right food, and follow the steps that I'm about to give you. Before I forget, if you have been having miscarriages or if you've had a miscarriage, I know that feeling. You want to get pregnant immediately, but trust me, your body needs a rest. First of all, after miscarriage, go back to your doctor, go for scan to be sure the baby, blood, everything came out. In some cases, I swear, this is a true life story. It happened to someone that I know. She went for scan and found out that the baby was no more in the womb, but some part of the baby was still there outside the womb. All the blood didn't come out when she was bleeding. She knew for sure that she had a miscarriage, but the first scan showed a baby. She had to go to a different hospital with a better equipment. That was where they found out that the baby was no more in the womb, but some blood was still there. You can imagine if she didn't find out on time, it might cause infection or damage that might keep her from ever conceiving. So she had to go flush her womb, system, whatever. After that, I told her to relax and give her body 1 month. Now, to God be the glory, she has a baby. So make sure to see your doctor. Flush everything out if possible. Relax, eat right, take the folic acid. It's just 1 small tablet a day, and then try the next month. Now, one big problem that I know for sure with anybody anxious to get pregnant is that sex becomes assignment. It's like work instead of fun, because during sex you're thinking too much. Please dear, try to relax. Try to relax during sex. Don't think about pregnancy. Enjoy yourself, relax your mind, and have fun. But this time, sex should be delicate. No fighting, because some people, when meeting with hobby, it's like fight, which is fine. I'm not judging. But because you have a focus this time, I will say take time, be in the mood, romance, and carefully go intimate. Why I said this, some get pregnant and the harder and faster, you know what I mean, can get the baby out. Yes, it happens. So try to be passionate and calm about it. I don't know if I have the right words, but I hope that you understand exactly what I'm saying. Also, don't worry too much after sex, especially when the date of your next period starts approaching, because anxiety can cause you to menstruate even before the due date. I know as human it's hard, but try. So during sex, let the man be on top. Don't worry about showing your expertise. Let him be in control. When he's done, stay that way. Keep laying on your back. Don't move. You want the sperm to go down and fertilize. If possible, do it when you don't have anywhere to go so you can sleep. When you wake up, you can wash or clean yourself. And before I forget, I hope you know the sex has to be on your peak period. It's important to note that because there's no magic in conceiving and also achieving multiple pregnancy. Both natural, herbal, medical ways all focus on the release of more eggs and also maintaining healthy eggs and sperm for nature to take its course. So focus on things to do or eat to achieve conception, even multiple pregnancy. You will definitely achieve, okay? So just ensure you identify your peak to have sex. If you don't know, it will be story for another day. I'll tell you maybe in another video about conception, I'll treat ovulation and choosing the sex of baby, how to calculate if you want a boy or a girl. Like I said, it's story for another day. But right now, let's talk about natural ways that you can conceive in summary. So number one is consume a nutritious diet rich in yam and dairy products. Number two is have lots of sexual intercourse during your high sex drive years, which is in 30s, hopefully with your husband. Then the third one is if you have given birth to twins before, then your chances of having triplets or more increases substantially. But if you haven't and want to, you can take medicines like Clomid, Femera, gonadotropin. Those ones can boost ovulation and lead to multiple gestation in some women. Of course, you need to discuss with your doctor for proper monitoring. Okay? Then the fourth one will be quit smoking and alcoholism. The fifth one is take folic acid supplements daily. I've said that before. The sixth one is stop taking hormonal birth control pills. Some people take lots of medicine. Today, tomorrow, they take different kinds of medicine. You need to be careful. Folic acid is enough if you ask me. Then number 7 is eat food that stimulates progesterone production. Example, almonds, walnuts, chicken, eggs, whole grains. Example of whole grains are brown rice, millet, oatmeal. Oh my god, have you watched how I make oatmeal? Girl, you need to watch it. If you watch it and try it, I'm telling you, you will eat oatmeal every day. I will leave the link below, so go check it out. Also, pork porn is good too. Number 8, eat foods rich in antioxidants, example folate and zinc, because it improves fertility for both gender by deactivating free radicals in your body which can damage both sperms and egg cells. Example of these antioxidant foods include fruits, vegetables, nuts, grains, beans. Also, try beneficial antioxidants like vitamin C and vitamin E. Then the 9th one will be take fewer refined carbs. Example, sugary foods, drinks, soda like Coke, Fanta, even malt. Reduce the intake of processed grains. Example, pasta, spaghetti, and the likes. Bread, rice, because they are quickly absorbed in the system, causing spikes in the blood sugar and insulin level. The 10th one is try and swap animal proteins like meat, fish, and eggs to vegetable proteins like nuts, beans, and seeds. This will help to reduce the risk of ovulatory infertility. Not all the time, because your body also needs dairy products to increase your chance of achieving a multiple pregnancy. For those who like twins, create a balance in consuming the two, okay? Then the 12th one is try to exercise. Above all, pray. I'm a Christian and I believe that everything is possible with God. If you have same belief with me, pray and trust that it's done. I will stop here for today and we'll continue next time. ask me a question, or if there's anything else you want to know, just let me know in the comment section, or send me a DM on Instagram if it's private. It will help me in my next video. So the question now is, why haven't you subscribed? I have everything in my channel, both motherhood, skincare, hair care and growth videos, everything you need. Trust me, there's division of labor in this channel. My duty is to do the research, get you the best you need to look and feel the best, and your job is to subscribe, watch my videos and try them. So join the family, subscribe and leave your notification on to get notified immediately I upload a new video. Also, like and share this video, it might help someone out there. Thank you all so much for watching, especially to the end, watching to the end. I hope you learned something today, and I pray that your dream come true with this video. Take care of yourself, be happy, stay blessed, show kindness anywhere you are, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.